Right, the latest news break coming in. Actor Vijay likely to be grilled again by the CBI in the Karur Stampede case. The CBI may call Vijay post-Pongal for questioning. Vijay was grilled by CBI today for over 7 hours, and TVK not responsible for Stampede is something that Vijay had told the CBI. Sources also tell us Vijay said he left the venue to avoid any further chaos. Having said that, this is how the day panned out.
A political rally spirals into chaos, leading to a deadly crowd crush. The Karur Stampede on September 27th, which took 41 lives, now casts a long shadow over one of Tamil Nadu's biggest political debutants. Acting on the Supreme Court's directions, the CBI has taken over the investigation and summoned TVK chief Vijay. The actor-turned-politician landed in Delhi on Monday morning on a chartered flight from Chennai, accompanied by close aide Adhav Arjuna. Dressed in a black t-shirt, the actor-politician walked straight into the CBI headquarters, avoiding the media glare and offering no comment.
The car has gone right in. You see the Range Rover entering the CBI headquarters there amid chants by, in fact, TVK supporters of Talapati. Vijay's car has just entered inside the CBI headquarters. They've allowed his car inside, keeping in mind the high security situation currently that's playing out.
At 11:15 p.m., the CBI began questioning Vijay as a witness. However, he had already given himself a clean chit.
இந்த பழி வாங்கணும் அப்படின்ற எண்ணம் ஏதாவது இருக்குச்சுன்னா என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்க மேலே கை வைக்காதீங்க. நான் ஒன்று வீட்டில் இருப்பேன், இல்லை நான் ஆஃபீஸில் இருப்பேன். என்ன வேணாலும் செய்யுங்க.
The agency is examining what it calls serious lapses at the rally that preceded the stampede. Investigators are focusing on venue capacity violations, crowd control failures, traffic mismanagement, and the absence of an adequate medical response. Failures that may have turned a political rally into a fatal disaster. India Today has exclusively accessed the CBI's line of questioning. Why did Vijay continue his speech despite reports of people fainting? Why was no immediate action taken beyond distributing water bottles? Why did he arrive late at the venue? And was that delay intended to draw larger crowds and project political strength? Outside the CBI headquarters, Vijay's supporters gathered, turning the probe into a display of political strength.
Even today I had, an assignment need to be submitted around 12, but, I had made an excuse and just came here to support our Talabadi only.
The DMK has now entered the fray, accusing the CBI of targeting the actor-politician under pressure.
BJP is called washing machine. They will misuse the powers of CBI, ED, IT, every department. Now they have started with the CBFC also. So they are known for it. And they will put pressure, and I don't know how Vijay is going to face it.
From the packed stage to a deadly stampede. From Karur to Delhi. From applause to interrogation. As the CBI tightens its probe, the tragedy that claimed 41 lives now confronts questions of power, politics and accountability. With Akshita Nangopal, Shivani Sharma, Shiraj Chatterjee, Pramod Madhav, Anaga and Apurva, Bureau Report, India Today.